They definitely do need 3 launchers at a minimum.
Yeah, definitely. Otherwise, it just doesn't work. Shit. Trying to scream.
Okay. Asshole.
He's a dick. Oh my god, did he finally learn how you fucking to dodge projectiles, Chad?
No. No, I didn't.
Did he learn the secret of just walking sideways? It's gonna explode. Careful the area denial, it's still on the ground.
I know.
Okay. Ow! He's screaming twice. He's exploding.
That fucking took my heal. That was fucked up.
Oh no, it didn't. You just took enough damage to cancel it,
Oh.
or to overdo it. Oh!
No, I got hit by the ground AoE. It stopped me from healing.
Oh, that's what you meant.
Yeah.
Okay. Doing the AoEs. He's exploded.
Oh.
Oh no! Don't roll. That's what I feel like. Don't roll sideways. Holy water pot for the finish.
I don't have one.
No. Let's go.
Get shit on.
Fuck this guy.